Lately, we have seen a lot of complaints on the internet about the natural hair community because people feel as if the natural hair community has become somewhat toxic, and instead of celebrating all hair types, they feel as if the natural hair community was creating some kind of hierarchy where some people felt excluded or some people felt that the movement was not being sincere. Anyway, here we are today. We can't continue to complain all day about how the natural hair community failed us. But I hope we all understand by now that instead of complaining, it is better now to use what we have learned to make better choices and to learn also from their mistakes, right? And over here, we are people of actions. We try to be, anyway. Yes, we speak our truth, but we will not continue to complain forever. No, we will not. We know better today. So what can you do? First, choose what you really want for your hair. Do you want your hair to be straight? Or do you want to only wear wigs? It's important for you to find the right people that will support you and that will help you to find what is best for you, to help you find the safest way possible to do what you want to do with your hair. Because even if I may not know you personally, I believe that you deserve to be safe in every way possible. But if you decide to give your natural hair the priority, again, choose the right community, the right people to support you on your journey. But again, you decide. You are the one deciding, which means that you can also be part of both communities. You can learn about hair straightening methods and wigs, and you can also learn about how to love and take care of your natural hair. Nobody can tell you that you can only be part of only one community. That will give red flags. But whatever you decide to do, I will always encourage you to make sure it is coming from the love you have for yourself and not from you not liking who you are. Because what a person does with her hair not only is an expression of her creativity, but it is also saying a lot about how she considers herself and what may be going on in her mind about herself. Her habits with her hair say a lot about her. No, my friends, I will never stop to say this. It is not just hair, and this is one of the messages I share continuously with you guys on my channel, and I will continue to do so. So yeah, you are free to choose what community or communities you want to be part of. May your choice help you to be more at peace with your hair, more at peace with yourself. By the way, in this little community here that we have, I want to help you value, cherish, and take care of the hair that is growing out of your scalp. And I am inviting you to join us if you think you need a little boost on your hair journey. Okay? We will have a good time together. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Your hair, your natural hair, is beautiful. Okay? Bye.